Good morning! Hello guys! Nakaka-holiday na naman kami. Nandito kami sa Manchester Airport at we're just having breakfast dito sa Archie's. And sa tayo punta ngayon?
Austria.
Austria dahil...
Birthday mo.
Oo nga pala no. Birthday week ko pala. Tsaka yun ang favorite place ni Mami dahil gusto niya yung mga shooting location ng Sound of Music. So watch out for that, okay? Okay, sige, breakfast muna kami.
Enjoy all moments every day and every night. There may not be a tomorrow, therefore enjoy today. In the present moment, neon rivers paint the rainy slick street below. Sirens hum a midnight melody, my heels click rhythm on the pavement's beat. Warm breeze carries jasmine through the summer heat. Every heartbeat syncs with city's pulse tonight. Unscripted moments flicker, pure unfiltered light. Let go of tomorrow's cloudy heavy weight. Taste the now, so vivid, bittersweet and bright. Enjoy all moments, let your spirit soar. Dance like no one's watching through the open door. Laughter bubbles, love's electric spark. No pause for shadows, leave the dark. We're alive right here, beneath the skyline's glow.
Hello guys!
Giant backwards.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Frankfurt Airport. Dito yung stopover namin.
And then you just put your... Just one, yeah.
So waiting muna kami. 3 hours pa waiting namin dito. Connecting namin to. So snack muna kami ng syempre famous nila ang worst sausages. Yes!
You just put your... May sriracha sila, oh.
Oo nga. Ganyan ang paglagay ng ketchup. Diba? Sarap nito, oh. Saka konting mayo. Lahat na, no?
Lahat na.
Sarap. At saka konting onion. Soto onion. Parang ano to eh, parang tayo sa ano? Tawag to? Sa cinema?
OA naman ng paglagay. Cucumber, ayaw mo? He's excited with his hot dog. Okay na.
Yeah. Sarap pa. Sarap ba, Mami?
The world is rushing past us, chasing deadlines, chasing time. Lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside
Hello guys, nandito na kami sa Salzburg Airport. Nakarating na rin kami. Naghihintay na lang kami ng aming baggage. And then after this, punta na kami sa hotel. Okay ka lang, May? Yan. Ganda naman ang aming travel na to, smooth.
that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame
Hello guys, we just arrived in our hotel. Nandito na kami sa Jufa Hotel. Jufa. Alright. Sana maganda yung hotel namin. Oo, maganda, may garden, no? Pero medyo makulimlim na. Okay, sige, check-in muna kami.
Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na.
Okay, here we are. Simple, but very cold. Yeah. Oo nga. Our bathroom. And this one is, separate ang toilet. That's good. Hindi tayo mag-aamuyan. Hi guys! Maganda tong hotel namin, no? Malamig. Ayan. So, simple lang, pero okay siya. Oh. Ang ganda ng mga, elegant.
Importante malamig.
Oo. Kasi mainit dito ngayon sa Austria. It's 38 degrees. Ayan. Medyo cloudy na ng 7 o'clock. Ayan. So magdi-dinner muna kami. And mag-unpack ng mga pagkain. Alright. O sige, see you later! Hello everyone! Hello guys! First day namin ngayon. Ay, hindi pala. Ito yung day of arrival namin. Naglakad-lakad kami sa labas. Wala kami makitang restaurant. Kaya, nakakita kami ng kebab. So, ito ang aming dinner. Umuulan sa labas. Grabe. Sana bukas maaraw na. Yung si mama, French fries. Masarap naman. Nagsasawa ako ng hotdog dito. Kaya mo namin. Good morning! Good morning everyone!
Morning.
It's our second day.
Hindi, first day pa lang.
First day namin kasi arrive lang kami last night. So, eto na. Explore na namin ng Salzburg City. Yeah.
Actually, hindi kami sa mismong Salzburg.
Hindi naman tayo.
Pupunta ka tayo ng Monsi ngayon, tsaka si Gilgen. So, hindi namin explore ang mismong city ng Salzburg. Bukas pa yun. Pupuntahan namin yung pinagkasalan ni Maria tsaka ni Captain Contra.
Okay. So, si Mami ang navigator ko. So, bahala na siya.
Bahala na kaming maligaya.
Oo. At least meron tayong libreng transport.
Oo, may libre silang transport dito sa Salzburg. Anong tawag dun sa Basta meron silang libreng patiket.
Parang disability, mobility.
Mobility,
Oo.
something.
Mobility.
So, at least kahit na saan kami magpunta, libre yung bus namin.
Ayan. Hindi na kami nag-breakfast, hindi na kami nag-avail ng breakfast kasi sabi namin, busog pa naman kami, ang dami namin nakain kagabi. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-avail ng breakfast doon. Kasong mahal 26 pounds, no? For buffet. So,
Hindi worth it.
So dito na lang kami sa labas.
Hindi naman ako nagbe-breakfast, so nag-withdraw muna kami, wala kaming cash.
Anyway, explore na lang natin. O sige, see you guys!
Woke up with the sunlight dancing on my face. Put my shoes on slowly, ready for the day. Coffee in the morning, music
Eto, nandito kami sa train station na hub. Main hub ng mga bus din. Ayan. So yung train station is yun. Sa loob, papasok kayo doon. Ayan. So we're just waiting for 140 bus.
It's a good day, good day. I'm smiling at the sun and chasing clouds away. And chasing clouds away. Windows down and laughing. Wind is in my hair. Every little moment feels like I'm almost there. No more overthinking. No more heavy rain. I just keep on moving, dancing through the day. It's a good day, good day. I'm feeling like the world is going my way. It's a good day, good day. I'm smiling at the sun and chasing clouds away. La la la, I'm feeling fine. La la la, the day is mine.
Hello guys! Nandito ngayon kami sa Mondsee. It's one of the park dito sa Austria. Yan. Look, ang ganda ng kulay ng mga buildings, oh. Yung nasa likod ko. Yan. Okay, we're going to the St. Michael's Church. Kung saan yung kinasal daw si Maria from this Sound of Music. Okay.
Austria. Hello, welcome to Mondsee. We're gonna visit St. Michael's Basilica, which is the church where Maria and Captain Von Trapp got married. Come on, follow us. Problem like Maria.
Mami? Ang cute naman yan.
Cute! Ito yung mga suot nila.
Ah.
At ganito yan, oh. Halika, picturean kita. Hello, this is Liesel the Goat. And I'm gonna sing for you. High on a hill with lonely goats that lay, yoo-hoo. She held back with lonely goat that lay, Kung dalawa tayo, sabi ko sa'yo, bumili ka na ng stand eh. The hills are alive with the sound of music. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Woke up to the morning light, breathing in a brand new life. Little moments, little grace, smiles I never wanna waste. Even through the stormy days, love still found 1,000 ways. Now my heart can finally say I'm thankful every day. For every door that opened wide, for every tear that made me wise. I see the beauty in the test. Now I know that I am blessed. Grateful, thankful, blessed, with a little peace inside my chest. Every heartbeat, every breath reminds me I am truly blessed. Grateful, thankful, blessed, even when life gets a little mess, I still dance through every step, 'cause I know I'm truly blessed. Sunset skies and midnight prayers, love and hope are everywhere. Holding on to simple things, the joy a quiet moment brings. Family voices, laughter loud, tiny dreams inside the clouds. Every season, every chance feels like heaven in my hands. I don't need a perfect life to feel the beauty deep inside. Every day is heaven sent, and I will live with no regret.
A deer, a female deer, a drop of golden sun, a name I call myself, a long, long way to run.
So I need a pulling thread. Law, I know to follow. So tea, a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to dawn.
Go!
A deer, a female deer,
Red!
a drop of golden sun,
Me!
a name I call myself.
Ang ganda, oh. Angel yung gitna niya. Where did I get this from, Dad? Isa ko ito nakuha. Ito, one lang to. Ay, ito, Angel. Ay, Angel siya, oh. Event. May festival ngayon dito. Hello guys! Welcome to Monty. And this is the lake. It's so beautiful. And the weather is nice as well. Walang araw pero sakto lang. chicken doon. Oh, diba? Wow. Ganda. Ayun, dyan lang tayo mag-coffee. Ayun tayo. Oo, mahuli ko. Uy, daddy, may isa. Ate, yun, may isa. Daming isda, di. Dad, dali ka dali. Ganun mo ang camera mo, oh. Ayan, oh, ang daming isda, oh. Daming isda, nagutom tuloy ako. Gusto ko ng fish. Fish and chips. Halika, mag-picture tayo dito, oh.
Na na na. 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 Na 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 na. And we go. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na 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 na. Here we go. Na 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 na.
Okay, thank you. Daddy, you're the one driving.
Yeah. You hop on.
God.
Ay, galing ah.
Do you want me to drive?
Yeah, you can do.
Come on, then you drive. So that she can show you what. Do I
On the other side, you're gonna drive
forward?
forward.
Okay.
So you
And
can
it's just slow, isn't it?
like
Yeah.
Are there any brakes?
no.
Just to zero and then it will stop. Yeah, okay.
Ay.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
So what time is it now? 12:09.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Hi, nandito kami, nagbo-boat kami ngayon. Alright, let's go. Hello guys. Oh, pwede akong picturean. Ayan guys, nagpalit kami ni Mami. Siya naman ang driver ngayon. Yes. Galing talaga. Look. Oh. Mas maganda pang ikaw ang driver. Ako ikaw ang driver ni. Ang galing ni Mami, oh.
Saan ako pupunta?
Katuwa, oh. Tingnan niyo.
Hindi ko alam saan kami pupunta.
Dito lang kami sa Lake Monzi. Yan. Beautiful. Hello guys. Ito, oh. Pa-relax lang kami ni Mami.
Drive lang lang.
Oh, dito sa Austria.
Tapos ang view namin, yan, tingnan mo yung view natin. Iharap mo yung view. Puntahan namin yung mga yun sa bahay, mga bahay-bahay doon. Magaganda. Sailing at the Monsi Lake. So relaxing. Ganda ng background. Ayan ang mountains. Look, beautiful. Oh, diba? Ang ganda-ganda.
Hello guys! Lunchtime na naman namin. Another hot dog, French fries, and burger. Yes! Okay. Punta kami ng St. Julian after this in half an hour. Lovely! And my
Hotdog.
hot dog. Sarap! Oh. Ang sarap!
Ganito lang, ha?
Hello guys, it's too hot here at the St. Gilgen. And here, we're going to, yun, mag-ano kami, cable car, going up.
Gusto mo mag-paraglide?
No,
No.
hindi mo na magpa-powerglide. Parang parang nasa Switzerland kami. You know, ganda. Look at that. Okay. Oh, wait lang kayo ha. Bibili lang kami ng ticket ng para sa cable car. Ice cream.
Try natin.
Oh, fish or something.
Wow. Parang walang laman, parang bula. Oo. Look at this. Like,
Ano?
I think it's ice cream. Mango. Mango pa for water and ice cream.
Okay na?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, picture dyan. Gusto mo?
Oh.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Dito na naman kami sa cable car in Austria.
Yung ano ba?
Dito na naman kami sa cable car sa Austria. Parang Switzerland. Tingnan natin kung maganda yung view sa taas. Yes! Grabe.
Ayan na, papanik na kami. Look at that view.
Oh, ang ganda.
Turquoise colored water of the Lake Wolfgang. I think it's called Wolfgang. Something like that. It's so beautiful. Pwede picture lang mama.
Sandali lang ha. Yan.
Hello. We're enjoying the view. It's so beautiful out here. But it's so hot. Wow, look at that. Super ganda ng view. Oh my goodness, look at that. There is St. Gilgen. How beautiful is that? Look at that. And the lake. Look how blue the water is. Wow. Yan pa, papanik pa kami. Ayan si Daddy. Oh, gandang-ganda sa view.
Siyempre.
Kasi nakatingin sa akin.
Ang ganda mo.
Kasing ganda ko raw ang view. Ooh. Sino mas maganda? Ang view o ako?
Siyempre. Parehas.
Visit. Super. Super. Pwede raw ano din dyan, magbangka. Ferry, super ferry. Ang layo pa pala natin.
Malayo pa nga. Hindi tayo sa pinakamataas. Dulong-dulong.
Number 3 na naman tayo ang nasakyan natin. Ang sarap. Balik. Meron lang ka ng mga ganun. Tingnan natin. Saan tayo? Start as in start ng baba. Overview.
Grabe.
Stover Mountains.
Ito na yun. Sound of music mo.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Look at this beautiful view. Super ganda. Tingnan mo yung lake doon.
Ano?
Ayan. Nakita mo yung pagkaganda-gandang view. Tingnan mo yan. Pakita mo yung cross doon sa taas. The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sang for 1,000 years.
Yay! Well done, Mommy.
Yan pa, yan pa, yan pa, yan pa. Woo! Oh my God! I cannot! Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko yata kaya yun. Hindi ko kaya.
Na 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 na
So, may mga pangalan yung bundok, no, Dad? Yun ang, ay, Salzburg doon, no? 24 kilometers doon, Salzburg. London. London is over there. It's 1,060 kilometers. And then we've got Ticino, Reykjavik. Oh, Reykjavik, Daddy. 2,780 kilometers. Reykjavik, Grover Arbor, Berlin. Berlin, 530 kilometers north. Over there. Polkar. And then, ayun na yung St. Gilgen, Wolfgang See, that's the lake, and then back to Mondsee over there. Beautiful. Hey, hello. High on a hill with a lonely goat, I'd lay, he yodeled back to the lonely goat, I'd lay. Daddy, yodelay, yodelay.
Let's go!
Ganda, super. Love you.
Hindi ka. Kulit mo. Wow! Oh, we're going down. Sobrang ganda rito. Guys, ayan. Kala mo yung parang ano, yung sa Disney, yung sa Hollywood. Pero totoo siya, totoong mga stores. Mga stores, hindi lang siya ginawa yung mga parang hindi lang siya ginawa parang at ano lang yung design. Alam mo yun?
Ano naman yun, oh.
Yung
Yung
nga
building doon, ang ganda yun.
So, totoong shop siya. Alam mo yun?
Ganda.
Tayo rito.
Pero gusto ko maglakad lakad doon.
Oh, let's go.
Cute eh.
Okay. Kasing kulay ng damit mo.
Hotel pala siya. Pati yun.
God is good, faithful all the time. Even when the skies are dark, He is my shine. Enjoy your pain, He will remain. God is good, His love will never change. I've walked through valleys deep.
St. Wolfgang.
Saan?
Hello. Ganda. Paano mo yung restaurant? Okay, go.
Hello guys, yung dami ng serving oh. Yan, dinner na namin ni Mami to. Alam mo kung ano pangalan ng restaurant? Ang pangalan niya is Mr. Wen. Hanap kami ng may rice. Ang dami pala. Sige, busin na lang namin lahat to. Okay, bye.
Na na na.